got to a spot with a little more elevation. Still getting a bunch of fence, but hey, it is what it is. Normally I see armadillos here. Hopefully I see a couple of little son of a guns. They're cute as the dickens. I was gonna say, I hope everybody had a great weekend, but this probably won't make it up until like Tuesday or thereabouts. So I hope your week is going good. Yeah, Tuesday, the boss goes back. That's gonna be sad. Dropping them back off. Oh. A lot of southwest on this side, kids. But it would appear that the west side is the busier side this morning. But I do see an arrival coming. We got our first responders. I can hear them heading to the airport. Come on, breeze. Weather Channel says just about westerly, maybe a tick to the southwest at just 3 or 4 knots, so barely a breath of air. It's muggy. Ooh, I didn't even notice that's a max.
Left 140, maintain 7,000, runway 1 left, please take off. Roger, traffic on final.
Boy, yesterday afternoon, or early evening, I guess it was, how about all that cool arrivals? The Virgin A350, the A330 from Aer Lingus. Who else did we have? I know I'm leaving somebody out. Oh, we had a Norse 787-9 Dreamliner from London Gatwick. We had the European invasion around 6, 7 o'clock last night.
Southwest 3817, runway, let's go for the 17, right?
What do you mean hold short? Just blast them out of there. I'm down here. I got your back. I'll make sure everybody does everything with the right. It's super thanks, super shout out time here at MCO. Take 2. I said Tampa the first time. Super thanks.
7,000, turn left heading 140, rolling 1 left, so take off.
To Jose Matos. To Kevin H. Not once, but twice. Loris Ernst.
7,000, turn left heading 140, rolling 1 left, so take off.
Ben Brown. And Mike Perdomo. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Loris. Thank you, Ben.
Rolling 17 right, line up and wait. It'll be just a moment. Wait
Thank
for
you,
one
Mike.
West
and if you'd like to support the channel like these fine folks did, please check out the Super Thanks icon. If you haven't done so already, hopefully you'll take a moment, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and hit the notification button as we do this each and every day. Appreciate you being on board. Back we go to the aviation action. Not 100% positive when this is going to go up. I'm backed up a little bit. So we got a special birthday shout out. Happy 55th birthday to Disney World Ron. Happy birthday, Ron. 55. Oh, to be 55 again. Oh, man, you're just getting to be in your prime there, buddy.
1337 Heavy, Roger. It'll be just a moment.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ron. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
21 right. Traffic is holding in position.
Atlanta, the world's busiest airport. Southwest.
Cross runway 18 left, full short of runway 18 right. JetBlue South.
Hey, I think we got a heavy jet going to take off on the west side.
Was it Oxford?
Hey, another Max. Oh, come on, breeze. Oh, that feels good. Boy, the 18 went left. The 17 right. Goes right. B5 full farm. I hear a heavy jet. 76 to Louisville. UPS. When it absolutely positively has to be there overnight. Or is that FedEx?
So 355, contact first.
Spirit took off and is now turning southeast to our left.
1996, the traffic that just
they're going southwest.
76, Foxway, Turgos, Arnett, DeVille, and Troy, 20 left, let's take off.
American top 40 to Charlotte. Kind of like Tampa, running the old A321 blast-off machines.
Get 1896 contact first today. W1184, Atlanta Tower, climb maintain 7,000, turn left heading 140, 140, rolling 1 left, take off.
Not sure who this is. I need to look at my map real quick. Oh, it's Frontier, kids. Better not be Rosie. Looks like we got a Frontier going to make a 17 right take off here. Oh, look who's going to join them. Oh, Canada. Blah, 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 blah. Dee, 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 glorious and free.
Contact first today.
The parking garages were open this morning, unlike yesterday early evening.
That's
the parking garage and the Hyatt Hotel back there. Oh yeah, you can stay right in the middle of the airport here if you want. We're next door. About a mile off the airport, if that, at the Marriott Lakefront. There we go. It's Francie, the piping plover, which I think is some kind of bird. I'm not sure what a prancing plover is. Does anybody out there have plovers in their backyard? I'm probably not saying it right. Looks like a big bird.
their gate today. For 1217 gate 6 appears to be occupied. Left at Yankee Cross 18 left, then ground point 8.
I turned the tower down a little bit. You know, again, and this is not a sexist thing, but it's like the female controllers in almost all instances, they broadcast better, I mean, stronger, louder. Yeah, it's about time. Oh, photobombed. Oh, it's a Max. Look what we got here, kids. 757 rocket ship. Getting ready to taxi someplace. Air Canada Rouge in the background, and a WestJet also bound for Canada. And look at this. Oh, you recognize this? This is the paint scheme that all AAs, I don't know what they call this one, but this is, if you're an old dude like me,
Orlando Tower, good morning.
this is what the shiny aluminum livery that I always flew on American for many a year. Yeah, I miss these babies. Not the 7.3, but the paint scheme. Shout out to the Marriott Lakefront here at MCO.
Go ahead.
What a nice job they did.
Very
nice, clean, spotless room. Great shower, great water pressure. I love it and I appreciate it. Dinner was great.
The American 2015, if you're on my
I had
frequency,
shrimp
do not
street
follow
tacos.
Continue on, Charlie.
The boss had a ahi tuna salad. She enjoyed hers as well. Nice job. Oh, parking was a little bit of a fiasco. Trying to get in the parking lot, the machine wouldn't let anybody in. That wasn't any fun. But other than that, it's been a great stay. Yeah, I'll head back shortly, take a shower. We're gonna pick up Jude and be back on our way to Tampa Bay. Did that rhyme?
Southwest 1588, contact vector 120.15.
Here's our Air Canada Rouge.
Southwest 25, or American 2015, are you on my frequency?
Oh, negative, that's not me. Go away, don't bother us. We're busy over here. Today, this would be the spot to get it, huh? That'd be awesome looking.
American 2015, are you up?
That's a personal question.
American 2015, do not follow your company. Continue on, Charlie. They're not ready.
It's American. You'd think they were going to say United, huh? Not ready.
1641 on contact park today.
That's United's new slogan. We're not ready. / wall of shame. There is no wall of shame here. Or at least that I know of. There could be something from the parking garage, though. 511, the Heritage livery to Reagan National. DCA, red, white, and blue. Although this is red, shiny aluminum and blue to our nation's capital. God bless America.
So 1639, Orlando Tower. Good morning, runway 18 left, line up 08. South of 1639, cross, 18 left, so you can do a 180 there. Positive, everything.
The Heritage delivery, I love it.
Delta 940, Orlando Tower. Good morning, runway 17 right, line up 08.
Oh, I can remember the 757s in this paint scheme. Oh, loved it in the all aluminum. That was a ULP, ultra low performance takeoff setting, if I've seen one. It's like the longest takeoff settings. takeoff rule since I've been here. I got people looking at me.
Air 511, contact departure, good day.
Good day. 940 to LaGuardia and the 757 we saw a minute ago. They're going over to the west side. What's up with that? Bah humbug. I don't know the method to the madness here as to who goes where. There's a little condo action. I can tell you though that FedEx, UPS, do they get Prime here? Coletta Air, and the cargo is all over on the west side.
Thank you very much. So 738, contact departure 120.15. Delta 940, contact departure.
Isn't it funny? We don't hear the, for the most part, the callback from the aircraft. I wonder why that is. Oh, we heard them. Okay, we heard them that time. 127, the max to Pitt, Pennsylvania.
5 cross 18 right of Bravo 10, hold short of 18 left.
Winds are now officially calm.
So 1639, runway 18 left, line up and wait, there's a vehicle there.
Hey, that's two in a row with a little condo action.
Plus 127, contact departure, have a good day.
Departure, we'll see you later. 127.
So 1668, RNAV to Cape, runway 179, clear for takeoff.
$16.68. Yeah, A321 service to Boston, Logan, Beantown. Vehicles headed to the airport this morning. It's like the 4th or 5th ambulance or fire truck.
Contact departure, good day. 8001, RNAV to Cape, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
We got a pair of A321s there.
35, cross 18 left.
Oh, bah humbug. That means they're both going over to the west side. Hey, that looks like the new Neo.
Southwest 1639, contact departure 120.15. Come on.
They're going over to the west side. But we've got, what, JetBlue here?
I
think it's JB.
Orlando Tower, you ready? Civil 131, are you ready? Civil 131, RNAV Turbulence, runway 20 left, clear for pickup.
Whoa, that was quick. Whoa! Oh, that's gotta be empty. Woo! This guy thinks he's at the Paris Air Show. Did you see that takeoff? Did you see that takeoff? Well, that's kind of a dumb question. If you can hear my voice, of course you saw that takeoff. You're watching the video, and we thank you for doing that. Hey, big shout out to everybody who dropped a comment, left a note for Jude. Just so many nice things. Having a hard time keeping up with everything with our wonderful visitor from the east. If we've missed anybody in the comments, certainly our apologies. We never try to miss anybody. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you for the super thanks. We can't thank you enough. Had an absolute blast with my buddy here this last week. The boss and I. Oh my gosh, you should have seen the boss and him yesterday running around the house chasing each other. Absolutely comical. Now that's a video I should put up. Hey! Another Heritage livery. Isn't that the JetBlue?
Spirit 8801 Orlando Tower, good morning, wind calm, runway 18 right, clear to land. Level 131, contact departure 120.15.
I think we saw them on Final yesterday driving here.
Alaska 404, RNAV to Billings, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff. Spirit 1266, Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 18 left, line up and wait.
I'm waiting for Alaska to pop out over there. And come southwest over the hill. There they are. Whoa, I was way off. Where'd they go? There they are. That's 404 to Seattle. 737-900. From the Atlantic to the
404,
Pacific.
contact bus 120.15. Okay, thank you. Spirit 1266, RNAV to Billings, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff. Couple 1651 Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 18 left, line up and wait.
Hey, looks like we got some action coming back over here to 17 right. That looks like Spirit in the sky. Norman Green bomb. That looks like a photo bomb. I cracked myself up. We got a little breeze, as you can see.
Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 18 left, line up and wait.
Bending those smokestacks.
Still to 357.
59 to Newark. Another A321. Notice a little pattern here with Spirit in the sky here.
Follow the American at Bravo, please.
They seem to be bringing in the A321s versus the A320s.
Delta 357.
No surprise, probably bigger flight loads here to the Mouse's house. And let's not forget, besides the Mouse's house,
follow
whoops,
that American 7, or correction, the Delta
you got
75,
Universal.
Delta 75 off your right.
You got SeaWorld.
388.
A little down the road, you got Lego World. A little further down towards us, you got Busch Gardens.
Currently blocked. Make a left at Yankee. Hold short of 18 left, please.
Talk about tourist capital.
So it's 527 Orlando Tower, good morning. Wind calm, runway 17 right, clear land. Spirit 59, contact departure.
Departure Africa, current 59.
Yeah, have a nice trip to LaGuardia, to Newark. Well, LaGuardia is close. Oh yeah! It's 357 757 rocket ship service to ATL. The world's busiest airport, let's go to 6 meter international airport.
The 357, contact departure 120.15.
Oh yeah, light those candles, baby. Burn it, baby, burn it. Come on, breeze. Daddy needs to cool down a little bit.
Traffic on a 9-mile final with the Airbus 319. RNAV 28, runway 17 right,
Well, we had a little condo action there for 3 or 4 aircraft, and that seemed to start and finish quick, fast, and in a hurry. Dagnabbit. You know I love me some condo action.
58 or
I'm so busy watching the 7.5 take off.
Good morning.
I didn't know we had an inbound. An arrival. An arrival is like a departure. Only the opposite. Ooh, smoke it up, Daddy-o.
3066 Orlando Tower, good morning. Wind 250 at 3, rolling line right to lane. Okay, type 2 track holding in position, trust 18 left to echo ground point 8.
Ooh, I got a little breath of wind. Oh, that helps so much.
Hotel 2210 right at Hotel 7, ground point 8. 334 left to echo, hold short of 18 left, please.
I got a feeling these are all a little dark.
Okay,
I may have to do some tweaking
120.15.
with my Premiere Elements software.
Southwest 1675 Orlando Tower, good morning. RNF for Kate, Roy 179, third pickup.
Whoa!
217 RNF for Dylan, Roy 1 third pickup.
Now that's the way you taxi! I'm waving to everybody. Like, look at the idiot standing in a truck. I mean, Mobile Command Office. Here's the American A321 Neo. Looking good.
58 traffic holding in position prior to arrival to Airbus 319.
Wonder where they're headed.
Airbus 1895 left to echo, hold short of 18 left. The 997 Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 18 left, line up and wait. Contact partner, have a good day. 1895, traffic holding in position, cross 18 left at echo ground point 8.
If this lightens things up a little. This should be Air Canada's Rouge.
The 997, RNAV 2 Turbulence, runway 18 left, fifth pickup.
This darker? Not lighter.
It's a 8718 Orlando Tower, good morning, 203, runway 18 left, go ahead. 1646 Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 18 left, line up and wave, stop and stop on field.
Oh, this looks like a yellow submarine if you ask me.
632 Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 17 right, line up and wait. Delta 997, contact Parker 2015. Delta 1646, RNAV 2 Villains, rolling on your left, clear for pickup. 782 Orlando Tower, good morning, rolling on your left, line up and wait. 358, what's your gate today? 358, right at Hotel 7, ground point 8, have a good day. 632, RNAV 2K, rolling 179, clear for pickup.
Boy, Spirit and Southwest.
Southwest,
They have no problem vacating the runway and taxiing quick, fast, and in a hurry. They just put the pedal to the metal and go.
740 at the risk 5 year round will be 73. Rolling 179, clear to land.
Wow, another low and slow barbecue special from AA. We haven't seen a United on this side, have we?
175, service takeoff, no delay, traffic 2.5 mile final.
It still looks dark.
Orlando Tower, rolling 1 left, final width.
Did she say line up and lip? As opposed to line up and wait?
American 632, contact Park, have a good day.
I hope this isn't too light. Oh wait, we got a southwest. Hasn't even rotated yet. Still hasn't rotated. Still hasn't rotated.
Clear to land.
They're just now rotating. Wow, that was pretty close. Between takeoff and landing, huh?
Roger, thank you. 388, RNAV 28, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Frontier. Oh, this better not be.
Almost 2863,
You know who.
thanks for the help. And turn left heading 160, contact Park, have a good day. 8718, right at Alpha 2, ground point 8.
Hey, that's Marty. Not Marty the Marmot?
2321, Orlando Tower, good morning, rolling 178, line up and wait.
He's one of our buddies.
Spirit 3642, Orlando Tower, good morning, rolling 18 left, line up and wait.
Let's see.
Winter 1063,
Oh, it's not a Marmot. It's Ward the Beaver. Well, everybody likes a nice beaver. Look at that. Now, if that doesn't get you excited looking at a beaver like that, I don't know what will. 2321 to Montego Bay, Jamaica, man. Jamaican me. What's this? I don't know what they say. Jamaican me thirsty? There goes Ward. I was hoping to get a close-up on the beaver, but guess it wasn't to be. Too busy futzing around trying to get the light just right. Spirit in the sky over on the west side.
42, contact Parker 2015.
There's a big separation between runways at MCO compared to TPA.
Good morning, runway 18 right, still land. Alpha 1654, RNAV to Villains, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff. 9638, Orlando Tower, good morning, runway 18 left, line up and wait.
There goes Ward. Apparently their gates are on the west side. Look at that inquisitive look. Somewhere over there taking forever. There it is. That's 638 to ORT Chicago O'Hare. Yep. It's the same wherever you go. ULP, ultra low performance takeoff settings. They're hitting everything over there on the west side. Surprised they're not in the trees. Well, that was pretty close to being in those trees. Chicago O'Hare. One of the world's busiest airports. Boy, it got quiet all of a sudden. It did hit a tree. I made a move.
7, ground point 8.
This is MCO to Salt Lake City, flying a 757 rocket ship.
Delta 1427, contact Parker 2015.
We're still in the south. I guess they call the economy lot, the red lot. But I'm like in between the two runways now. I got a cool spot where I can catch some arrivals directly overhead. We might try that in a little bit here, over on the west side. Look at that. That's the wake turbulence. Oh my gosh, from the aircraft that just went by. How cool was that? That gives you an idea what that after effect is. Whoa! 1350 Spirit in the Sky from LaGuardia.
Morning on that building,
2973 from Chicago's Midway. Runway 18 here at MCO. Those look like Neo engines. What do you think? Hey, this is our pals at Frontier. It's the Kit Fox livery from ATL. Yep, the world's busiest airport.
1714, good morning, right to the land with 2205.
That was a pair on final for 18. His first beast is 1610 757 rocket ship service from ATL. International Airport. Oh yeah. We might get some great wake turbulence from this beast. 388 miles, opposed to the 407-mile trek to TPA. Oh, look at that. Got some condo action. Yeah, love it. Love it.
77 on chart, lights ready. 3377 on air, big case, runway 179, come pick up. Way left, big off 8.
Whoa! That was a little heavy on the zoom there, Steven. Oh, jeez. Okay, that's a wrap. That's going to conclude the Sunday edition of Spotting. MCO, the Mouse's House, Orlando International Airport. Hope you enjoyed this surprise visit here this week. Something a little different. Kind of cool seeing some of the heavy jets here. That's for doggone sure. If you're new to the channel, glad to have you here as well. Hope you'll take a moment, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and hit the notification bells. We upload from someplace each and every day. Can't get enough fun in the sun. And if you'd like to support the channel, please check out the super thanks icon. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow from some airport, spotting the world. Take care.
Frontier 4841, cross 18 left to Echo ground.